on YouTube. It's Demo coming at you here. Tuesday afternoon. We got a blizzard going on here in Fargo right now. Weather took a nasty turn last night. Didn't have to work today. Even if I did, it would have been a 3-minute commute. So, not horrible anyway. Sitting inside watching TV, snacking. You know, what you do on a typical snow day, I guess. Got a few cards in the mail, some I was expecting, and then a giant package in from Hudsonfan15, which is Christmas, birthday, whatever package. First of all, I'll show off the cards I was expecting. All I've done with Tom's package is just open it up. Haven't pulled anything out or looked inside at all. First of all, last week I got the itch to bust something, so I had Chris at Cards Infinity bust me a box of 15 Elite Baseball. Hits weren't all that great. The one card I did get coincidentally to go along with this Mailday, Blue Stats die cut, numbered 11 out of 17, Tim Hudson. So there you go, Tom. That will be in your package when I've got something together that I feel is worthy as a return gift. Jersey cards, first a career best materials, numbered 75 out of 299 jersey card, Barry Bonds, which is a really cool one. Going back to the old days, my collecting, Bonds was my favorite non-twin as a kid. And then Elite Series numbered 133 out of 199 jersey card of Adrian Beltre. And then my two autographs neither were numbered, Starling Marte and Steven Souza. Right. Next card I got in, I saw this on RBI Crew 7's eBay page, asked him about it, and made a deal for it. From 1998 SPX, Youth Finite, or Youth Movement, something like that, Finite insert. David Ortiz, nice little card there. I did not have for the PC. Numbered 1002 out of 1250. And then the last non-Christmas package cards I got in were from BB Express 2. I got in his baseball mixer a couple weeks ago. Had the Twins and the Tigers. First off, 16 high-tech card of J.D. Martinez. Numbered 37 out of 99 triple threads gold, Justin Upton. For the PC, 2014 tribute, Harmon Killebrew. And then I did get one hit, and it was out of the most expensive box in the break. 16, the mint, numbered 35 out of 50. For the PC, Young Ho Park, inscribed 12/1/2015 for when he signed with the Twins. Alright, so next, giant package here from Hudsonfan15. I don't care if you can see my address. Alright. Got it bubble wrapped in smaller boxes here. Got birthday, Christmas, and a deal he and I had made a while back for some stuff that I finally got around to being able to pay him for after getting my job. Put it in one of those loot locker boxes, like he mentioned in his video the other day, that a lot of the packages going out would be in repurposed loot locker boxes. Hope to be able to buy a few of those next year, get into that. I was like looking at their stuff, or the customers getting that in on Twitter, looking at Tom's mail days when he gets them in. So first I'll show just some of the cards that I got that I was expecting. 84 Topps, I got most of that set. Brad Havens, Ron Davis, and Scotty Olger, who was the Twins' third base coach, I believe, hitting coach for a while. This is 1984 Fleer. I know I need some of these. Darryl Brown, Bruno Tom Bernansky, who we just recently let go as our hitting coach, Randy Bush, who's the assistant manager with the general manager with the Chicago Cubs now, so he got himself another ring to go along with the 2 he got with the Twins. Bobby Castillo, John Castino, who was supposed to be the next big thing for the Twins back in the early 80s, but back injury ended his career prematurely. Another Ron Davis. And Dave Engel. Yeah, Lenny Fado, who the only thing I know him for, he's also on the 1982 Topps Twins Rookie Stars card with Ken Turbeck and Tim Laudner. Pete Filson. Gary Gaetti. You know, guys, but one of these days I'll probably get back to the PC showcase videos. Mickey Hatcher. Ken Turbeck. One of the best names in baseball, Rusty Kuntz. Tim Laudner. And Rick Lysander. Next one. Got, this is 82 Fleer, Sal Butera, whose son Drew was on the Royals World Series team last year as the backup to Salvador Perez. Rob Wilfong. Chuck Baker. Hoskin Powell. Jack O'Connor. Pete Mackinnon. Roger Erickson. Dave Engel. Doug Corbett. Another John Castino. More of the 84 Topps. That got Pete Filson, Mickey Hatcher, Billy Gardner, Len Whitenhouse, Mike Walters, Rusty Kuntz, Ron Washington, Rick Lysander, Dave Engel, and Bobby Castillo. Got 82 Donruss here. Got Jack O'Connor, Mickey Hatcher, Tim Laudner, Gary Ward, Roy Smalley, Diamond Kings insert. That'd be a cool one to get him to sign out if I go to a game where he's doing pre or post game. Might bring it along if I go to Twins Fest this year if the weather's decent. Ken Turbeck, manager Billy Gardner, the base Roy Smalley, Johnny Padres, coach card, Danny Goodwin, Pete Mackinnon, Brad Havens, Hoskin Powell, Rob Wilfong, Dave Engel. What up, Chad, who does not watch my videos, I'm sure. Pete Redfern, Doug Corbett, Butch Weiniger, Sal Butera. 82 Topps here. Previously mentioned Twins feature stars of Lenny Fado, Ken Turbeck, and Tim Laudner, Rob Wilfong, John Verhoeven, Doug Corbett, Glenn Adams, Don Cooper, Mickey Hatcher, Roy Smalley, Roger Erickson, Chuck Baker, Al Williams, Dave Engel, Darrell Jackson, John Castino, Gary Ward, Brad Havens, and Jack O'Connor. These were all cards that his dad got. Can't remember if it was an auction, flea market, something like that. Of course, his dad knows that he has a friend who's a huge Twins fan, so he asked if I'd be interested. Tom sent me the list of what his dad had gotten. Of course I was. I got a 1980, guessing this would be 83 Fleer because it says 82 home statistics. The Minnie and Paul team logo. Got 2 of those. Got the 82 Fleer teams checklist on the front, the A's on the back. Jose Morales, Salvatierra, Rob Wilfong, Dave Edwards. Well, since my last few videos have been under 10 minutes, I'm going to make sure this one's a nice long video. Got Daryl Jackson, Mike Cubbage, Pete Mackinnon again, Jeff Zahn, Rick Sofield, Glenn Adams, Roger Erickson, another Pete Redfern, Hoskin Powell, Butch Weiniger, Ron Jackson, Bombo Rivera, Doug Corbett, John Castino, Ken Landro, Jerry Kuzman, and Roy Smalley. This is going to take forever. I'm not going to open the baseball box today. I'll save that for the 6th. Just under 4 more weeks until my actual birthday. Got Pete McCannon, Roger Erickson, another 84 Len Whitehouse, more of the 82 Donruss, more of the 82 Tops, doubles on those. 84 Fleer Bobby Mitchell, Ken Schramm, Ray Smith, Tim Tuffle, who we traded to the Mets for Billy Bean. A couple years later, Frank Viola, Gary Ward, Ron Washington, this will be fun to sort through, see what I still need out of these. I know I need quite a few of the non-tops cards. Len Whitehouse and Al Williams. Then we got 83 Fleer, Al Williams, Gary Ward, Ron Washington, Frank Viola, Jesus Vega, and another Pete Redfern, John Pasella. Should have put my phone on mute. I'll get that later. Jack O'Connor, Bob Mitchell, Jeff Little, Tim Launder, Randy Johnson, different Randy Johnson, of course, Ken Turbeck, Brad Havens, Mickey Hatcher, Gary Gaetti, Terry Felton, Lenny Fado, Ron Davis, John Castino, Bobby Castillo, Tom Bernansky. I'm sure all of you are so excited to see all these base cards. Here's some I don't think I knew about. Anyway. Yeah. Okay, got 05 Tops Joe Mauer. 04 Tops Joe Mauer. This is a 2002 Tops Total Jake Mauer, his older brother. who's manager down in the minor leagues with the team now. 2003 Topps opening day, AJ Pierzynski. 02 Topps Pierzynski. 92 Upper Deck, Dan Gladden. 04 opening day, AJ Pierzynski. 01 Upper Deck victory, Denny Hocking. 95 Topps, Denny Hocking. 01 Upper Deck victory, Jacques Jones. 2000 Upper Deck victory, Jacques Jones. This is 97 Pinnacle Zenith, Chuck Knobloch. 02 Upper Deck victory, Denny Hocking. 03 Upper Deck victory, Jacques Jones. 03 Topps opening day, Jacques Jones. 03 Topps base, Jacques Jones. 02 Topps, Jacques Jones. Got a 98 Collector's Choice, Brad Radke. 05 Topps, Jacques Jones. 05 Topps, Kadire. 04 Topps opening day, Jacques Jones. If I knew it was going to take this long, I wouldn't have shown all of them, but as long as I'm doing it, I might as well just keep going, right? 01 Upper Deck victory, Brad Radke. 2000 Upper Deck victory, Brad Radke. 98 Score Radke. 98 Collector's Choice, StarQuest Radke. 04 Topps opening day, Shannon Stewart. 03 opening day, Radke. This is a 03 Fleer doubleheader mini, Brad Radke. I know I don't have that one. 02 Topps total, Radke. 02 Topps, Radke. 03 Topps total, Kyle Loesch. 03 Topps, Kyle Loesch. 02 Topps, Kyle Loesch. This is a different one. 04 Upper Deck Power Up, Shining Through, Shannon Stewart. 98 Collector's Choice, AL debut, or Diamond debut, Torrey Hunter. 03 Topps opening day, Torrey. 02 Topps, Torrey. 05 Topps, number 19 out of 1973 out of 2005, Joe Mays. 04 Topps, Matthew LeCroy. 02 Topps, Luis Rivas. 04 Topps, Matt Moses draft pick card. Big prospect, never made it. 88 Donruss, Kirby Puckett. 93 Upper Deck Future Heroes, Kirby. 98 Fleer Tradition for Unforgettable Moments, Paul Molitor. Don't think I got that one. And 97 Pinnacle Express, Paul Molitor. Alright, one more package of this, and then it's the big cards from that deal. Got an 82 Fleer team checklist. This is 82 Fleer Mini and Paul team logo sticker. 03 Upper Deck Victory Torrey. 03 Donruss Team Heroes Joe Mays. 02 Upper Deck Victory Joe Mays. 02 Topps Joe Mays. 04 Topps Torrey. 03 Topps Total J.D. Durbin. 02 Bowman Brad Thomas. 05 Topps Joe Nathan. 04 Topps Joe Nathan. 89 Donruss, Greg Gagne. Card I dropped was an 05 Cy Young winner, Johan Santana. 05 Topps Alexander Schmidt. 05 Topps Jesse Crane. 93 score Derek Parks. 92 score Scott Lace. 93 score Willie Banks. 91 Fleer Al Newman. 95 Topps Derek Parks. 95 Topps Pedro Munoz. 86 Topps Brett Blyleven. 93 score Scott Lace. 92 Upper Deck Brian Harper. 93 Upper Deck Shane Mack. 92 Donruss Brian Harper. 90 Upper Deck Roy Smith. 93 score Lenny Webster. 93 Upper Deck Mike Trombley. 2000 Topps Butch Husky. 90 Upper Deck Carmen Castillo. 92 Upper Deck Gene Larkin. Mr. Game 7 game winning hit. 90 Donruss Carmen Castillo. 02 Topps Tom Kelly. 86 Topps Roy Smalley. 97 Pinnacle Express Swing for the Fences. Redemption card, it looks like. That's cool. Terry Steinbach. 02 Topps Rick Reed. 92 Upper Deck Dave West. And it looks like the rest of these are more doubles from that deal. Since I didn't really have these stacked very well, I'm going to sort these quick. Stack them anyway. So, nice start anyway from Tom. That'll be fun to go through my database and see what I need of those. Got 2 packages of cards here. Save that one for last. Let's do it like that. Alright, got a 16 score Laquan Treadwell. Carson Wentz, rookie. Reflections Gold, Stephon Diggs, Antonio Brown. Mackenzie Alexander. Laurinaitis base. Adrian Peterson. Teddy Bridgewater. Red Zone, numbered 15 out of 35. James Laurinaitis. And then this one was the original big card of the deal. Numbered 5 out of 20 Red Zone autograph Laquan Treadwell. Nice one there. About Laurinaitis in a pick your player break or that he bought on eBay. That's where these came from. Alright. Yeah, Stephon Diggs. Should have done this one first. Harrison Smith. 16 Classics Glossy. Parallel of Laquan Treadwell. Charles Johnson. Kyle Rudolph. Mike Wallace. And then /21 James Laurinaitis base. Alright, so that's the end of the ones that I mainly knew about. Move on to Christmas. Alright, just start with one on top, work my way down. First got a 15 Topps Pro debut, Miguel Sano. He showed me these on Twitter from when he was at Nationals. Got a bunch of Diamond Kings, Max Kepler rookies. Got both photo variations of Kirby Puckett, Diamond Kings. /16 Donruss Optic, got a Young Ho Park rookie. Eddie Rosario. Got a 15 Elite Trevor May, which was not in that pile, I don't think. /16 Prestige James Laurinaitis. Got the Saints logo down there. I believe he's been released by them now after recovering from his injury. Got a 15 Elite Kenny Vargas. 12 Bowman Chrome Brian Dozier rookie. So, according to rumors, is either going to the Dodgers or the Yankees. Hope not, but I guess you never know. 16 Diamond Kings all-time, or DK Originals, Kirby. Elite Gold Stars, Kirby, which was in the inserts that I got from Chris. 15 Bowman's Best, Eddie Rosario. Brian Dozier. Alex Meyer. And Alex Meyer Refractor. Bottom card of this one is a 15 Pro debut Byron Buxton. Got a, here's this 06 Upper Deck Epic, numbered 179 out of 450, Torrey Hunter. 15 Bowman's Best, one of those really thick refractor insert cards of Nick Gordon, one of the stars of the Arizona Fall League Futures game. Got 04 Topps, World Series Authentic Game Used Bat. This is cool. Series Stitches, Jose Canseco for the very small A's PC. This is 15? No, 16 Immaculate. Jumbo Jersey card. 19 out of 25, Brian Dozier, do not have that. 15 Bowman's Best, Prospect Autograph, Nick Gordon. And a 2013 Bowman Sterling Autograph of Ryan Healy, again for the small but lovable A's PC. One more pile here. Ooh, that's thick. This was in that photo on Twitter as well. Number 35 out of 299. Dual jersey autograph, Miguel Sano. Diamond Kings. This is 16. Museum Collections. Meaningful Materials, numbered 1 out of 50. Nice 2-color, really dirty game use patch. Tory Hunter. That is thick. Nice one here. Number 16 Tier 1. Number 7 out of 25. Dual jersey autograph card of Byron Buxton. And last but not least, doesn't say it on here, but he has it written on here. 15 Topps Mini Gold Parallel, which is apparently the 1/1. Phil Hughes. So, very cool stuff. Thank you very much, Tom. Always appreciate it. Been a great year. Didn't get to meet up at Nationals like we had hoped this year, but like I've told you recently, my brother's planning on moving to the East Coast next year, and maybe if I have the funds to go, maybe one day meet up while I'm out there, or stay a couple extra days, maybe hang out. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks again, Tom. Always appreciate it. Hopefully, I'll get something together here soon, worthy of countering that. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Later.